Okay, I said I'd do a quick demonstration video of the Traintech signals, so here we go. I've taken two signals. We've got the 4-aspect one, and then at the back the 2-aspect signal. So this is red and green, this is red, green, double yellow and single yellow. They also do another couple. I'm just getting the leaflet here. There's the double-headed one, which I actually have over in the siding by the Pendolino in the station. One mast with 2 signals attached to it, red and green on both. They also do a 3-aspect signal, which is red, yellow and green, and they do, as well as the red and green single one, they do a green and yellow one as well. Again, all on their website, you just need to go and have a look. So we're going to start with the 4-aspect one first. So they all come with instructions and all boxed, and they also come with accessories, which gives you a ladder for the back and a sort of little mast to put around the top, which I've yet to fit to my signals. So you follow the instructions. It'll all be different for each controller. It just says follow how to program accessories using your chosen decoder. So I've got the Elite. So all you do is you just get a small piece of metal. Don't know if you can see that. Let's try it in a pair of pliers. There we go. Very small piece of metal. That's just some soldering wire which I've bent into a U shape. Underneath the signal there are 2 learn contacts, as they call them. And all you do is you get the wire and you touch the learn contact with the wire. Okay, you get it in the right place. There you go. See, and then it starts to flick through all the colours. That means it's ready to be programmed. Using the Elite, I press accessory, ACC, type in the number that I want, so that's 91, press the left-hand controller to tell me that it's ready to go. Then I press the left-hand controller again, and it's programmed. So left-hand controller, or the left knob part of the controller, is green, and the bottom bit is red. And because it's a 4-aspect, it needs another decoder address, so I programmed that at 91. So if I automatically scroll to 92, you don't have to program, it automatically does it for you. Double yellow and single yellow. And then back to 91, right hand button, red, green. So once you program the first one, it automatically programs the second for you, the second address. With the double aspect one, where you've got 2 of these together, there's one there and then there's another head next to it. When you program, for example, one on number 1, it automatically programs the other one on number 2 to save you having to mess about. So now I'm going to program the single one. So again, get in the contact. When it starts to flash, you've made the contact. See, that's now flashing red-green. I'll then set this at 81, so you press 81, left-hand knob again, and it's programmed. And there you go, see, red and green. And then we go back to the 4-aspect one, onto red, change it to 92, double yellow, single yellow. Nice, simple, straightforward, easy to use, all run by digital. You don't need masses of switches, and you don't need the accessory decoder box that Hornby do for the point. Just plug straight into the track, like a Hornby power clip, straight into the track, 2 contacts, and that's it. Occasionally you might have to bend the contact ever so slightly to make contact. I mean, this one here is ever so slightly bent down just to push the metal up to make contact with the track. But that's it. You've got the 4-aspect one there, which runs on the yellow, and then you've got the single one at the back there, which runs on green. So that's what's currently around my entire layout. We've got 3 of these. So I've got that one, that's here, is actually where the station's been moved slightly, that's where it goes, and then you've got one by the station building in the corner, and there's another one next to the level crossing just there, if you get in the way. Then we've got single aspect, which is that one there. This one here actually goes there, just in front of the class 20, and then over in the station you've got single ones, and then right where the Pendolino and the Voyager is, that's a double head one, which is the catalogue. I'll show you. That's the double head one here. Okay, you've got the single one, the double one. That's the one that controls that one. That also saves a lot of space. And that's about it. If you have any questions on these lights, do feel free to email me, or you can actually go to the company Train Tech. If you watched the previous video where we did demonstration of the 92 and the 86, you'll be able to get all the information you need from there.